Alright guys, heading out to Long Beach today to go to the Progressive International Motorcycle Show. Me and all the street guys go every year, like this guy right here. Me and all those other schlubs out there in Long Beach. So hopefully I get to test ride a few bikes that I've been looking at. I'm really interested to see how that Yamaha 700 Tenere feels like. And I guess the Harley Davidson new adventure bike's supposed to be out there too. That thing's a really weird looking motorcycle, but it'd be cool to hop on it and see what it feels like. Also want to make sure I swing by the BDR booth. They're doing the Adventure Out section this year at the show. I want to grab like some of the backcountry discovery route maps and info from those guys. Should be a whole lot of fun. So if you don't follow this guy already, go check out his channel. It's Brian Spillwell. He's always in all sorts of mischief and mayhem in the San Bernardino area. Really good dude, known him for a long time. Funny, very funny. It is not warm today. Of course, it's probably only like 55 degrees, something like that, but us Southern California guys, man, we can't handle it. See? Shouldn't have chopped off your windscreen. I got this. He's just getting all that wind. Nowhere to hide. And it's cold. I miss riding sport bikes, but man, this is so much more comfortable. We got snow in our local mountains up in Big Bear, Lake Arrowhead, Crestline area on Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. It's Saturday today. It hasn't rained since May, and then like the first rain that we get is snow. It's crazy. The weather's all jacked up. Can't wait to get the dual sport out there and rip up some snowy-ish trails. Not super snowy, just snowy enough. My hand is still super jacked up. It's not broken, but it is really swollen. Luckily I have this cramp buster on my throttle, so I can kind of ride with an open hand. Woo! That's a good gust. Dude, the wind is bad. Got ourselves a little popper over here. Oh, Mr. Spillwell dropped way back. No tickets today, please. Back there running my plate right now. That's cool. Run it, buddy. Run it. And finally it's done. He's not interested. Now it's Spillwell's turn. Nope, he's getting off the freeway. Sweeper ahead. This is all for street sweeper traffic. Don't jump out. Don't jump out. The big thing about splitting traffic is you have to watch not only the cars that you think are going to jump out, but where they're going to go. So like, if there's these cars on this side, they're slowing down, you got a big old pocket over here. This guy's the one that's going to jump out. So you keep track of where they're going to go as well as who might go. You can move through this stuff a lot easier and safer to kind of predict like who's going to move. thankfully, like, splitting lanes has been legal for so long in California. Like, most of the California drivers are aware of it and pay a little better attention. They know we're going to be moving up here through them. This is going to be a lousy ride if we're splitting traffic the whole way. I did not think there was going to be traffic right now. At least this... At least this freeway has a nice wide carpool lane, so we have all sorts of cushion. It's not as bad as some of the ones out in LA. Oh my god, my hand hurts! Dang it, he got me back. Still over there talking to himself for the old YouTubes. Friends! Nice little Indian. 2 Indians. Oh, matchy Indians. Baller move walking in. I'll take 2, thank you. So I finally pulled the trigger and got a decent computer. I've been making all these videos on my wife's like 10-year-old MacBook Air with the free iMovie that comes on it. So it's been getting me by, and I've been learning how to do a lot of stuff, but there's just 0 storage, so I have to do all sorts of crazy things to get like longer videos to work on them and upload them and all that stuff. So pulled trigger, got a new one, got the MacBook Pro 16 or whatever it is, like that new one. Pretty freaking awesome computer. I don't know how to do anything on it, but I'll figure it out. I also had it preloaded with what's it called? Final Cut Pro? I think that's what it's called. Final Cut Pro. So I'll learn how to work that software. Hopefully it'll have a positive influence on my future videos. I can tell right now, like, I was playing around with some stuff and it is way faster. Like, just scrubbing through videos and stuff like that, uploading them, dropping them off, finishing them off, stuff like that. It's like way faster. It's pretty cool. That was a nasty freaking plot hole. Woo, buddy! It's playtime, baby. We're here. Already a lot of freaking people here. Let's go have some fun. Goodbye, motorcycle show. See you guys. All right, that's it. Waited in line for freaking an hour and 45 minutes to test ride the Harley-Davidson Livewire, and their system crashed twice. So I decided to walk away. Went in, checked out the bikes, hung out with the boys. All in all, good time. Seemed a lot smaller this year than last year, but a lot of fun. Went over and met all the guys over there at the Backcountry Discovery Routes. I was talking to one of them over there. I can't remember his name right now, but might get him out on one of our broken enduro rides. Alright guys, well as always, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. Hopefully we'll be in dirt, right? Peace!